Hi Tejas.
Hi Deepal.
Tejas, on last video you taught me about OSPF Totally NSSA. Can you explain the configuration part of OSPF Totally NSSA also?
Oh sure. Deepal, look at to this diagram. See, in this diagram I already configured the IP address. Now I will configure the OSPF of each router, so that you can understand easily.
Okay.
First I will start with R1. Now R2. Now R3. Now R4. R5. In this router I have to configure OSPF as well as RIP and redistribute both. Now R6. R7. R8. R9. See, in this router I have to configure the OSPF as well as EIGRP and then redistribute both of them. Now R10. In this router I have to configure the RIP. R11. In this router I have to configure the EIGRP.
So you had successfully completed OSPF, RIP, and EIGRP configuration of respective router.
Yes. Now I will show you the routing table of R8, R9, R5 and R6. See, in R8 OSPF routing table, learning routes are from IA inter-area routes and E2 external routes and O same area route. We will check ping response of RIP network. Ping is reachable. Same we check in R9 also. Check in R5 also. Check in R6 also. Now we will start OSPF NSSA configuration. On router R8, R9, command is Area 30 NSA. R8 and R9 both are non-ABR router. On router R4 command is Area 30 NSSA no summary. Because R4 is an ABR router. Now router R5 and R6. Command is Area 10 NSSA. And both the router are non-ABR router. Now router R2, because router R2 is ABR router command is Area 10 NSSA no summary. Now we will check the routing table of R8. Whether the OSPF routing table is reduced or not. See instead of IA inter area and E2 external route only default route is showing in R8 OSP table. Also we are able to ping also, which we check earlier before OSPF NSSA configuration. Same we check in R9. In R4 we are getting more specific route because it is an ABR router. Whereas in R8 and R9 we get default route instead of specific route. We will check the same in R5 also. OSPF NSSA helps to reduce the routing table of OSPF and also allow the ASBR router in NSSA area. OSPF Totally NSSA is a Cisco proprietary.
Tejas, my OSPF Totally NSSA configuration concept is clear. Thank you.